What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. So today I am at Howl-O-Scream at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Go through all the houses and they have a brand new house that I'm really looking forward to try. Let's go check it out. So we got some Howl-O-Scream merch here, hand fans. I might need that because it's super hot out. Got some pins, lanyards, hoodies. So I'm gonna ride Cheetah Hunt before we go into the screens because I like to wait until it gets dark to get the full feeling. So let's go ride Cheetah Hunt. Just got a Cheetah Hunt. We actually did it twice because the line was short and we just wanted to do it. Such an awesome ride. Oh, I love it so much. But now that the sun is down, we're gonna go check out some of the houses and see what's going on. Our first house is going to be Cell Block Zombies. I am looking forward to this. Oh my goodness, I am sweating like crazy. That was an awesome house. That was the first house of the night and it definitely made way for the rest. At one point I lost the line and I started going the wrong way, and then I was already disoriented by that. I was making sure I was going the right way, and then you get flashed, and so you're walking in this super dark room and you just got flashed, so you don't know where you're walking and there's people coming up. That was awesome. So we're over here in the area of Cobra's Curse and Montu, so while we're here, might as well ride. I do not remember it being that twisty. Man, that one, I really don't remember it being, I don't think it was ever like that. It twists a lot and it kind of got to my stomach a little bit. So the rest of my group is going to ride Montu, and I had a bag and they're like, oh, you can't have a bag, you have to put it in the locker, and I totally forgot. So I went back and I was like, nah, yeah, you guys can go ride. My stomach is messed up from Cobra's Curse. Help me, please, help me. Help me, please. Help me. Death Water Bayou Blood Moon. This is only my second time coming to Howl-O-Scream, and I'm just noticing like differences that were changed from last time. They changed the houses up like a lot. I got lost again and I started going the wrong way, and I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I was going the wrong way into a scare. So a scare actor literally jumped right in my face. And I tried my hardest not to scream, but a little came out. Width of the Wood, that was probably my favorite of the night. when I was walking inside and they had like all the outside scares, I wasn't getting any of them. Like literally everybody around me was getting them. And I was watching it happen, but I didn't get any scares. And I was like, okay. And then we go inside, holy moly. I literally got jump scared over and over and over. That was a fun house. I really like that one. Just got off of Shikra and Tigress. These rides are so much fun, and I haven't done them at nighttime. Oh my gosh, Tigress at night is so good. Oh, I love them so much. Now we're gonna go to the Forgotten, a new house. I'm looking forward to it. That one was pretty creepy. That design was awesome. It was so creepy and really immersed you into this crazy vampire house. Definitely got scared multiple times, especially that guy on the throne. Like, that was such an awesome scene. Good job on this one, guys. Now we are sitting down to eat, and I got the Tender Tower. I didn't get any chives. It looks way prettier when there's chives in it, but I am ready because it looks super good. I can breathe. Just got out of the residence. That one was way creepier than I remember in 2019 when I first did it. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Especially going by myself, like I didn't see anybody. There's no one in front of me. Everyone behind me was way back. That was a good house, and it definitely got me the most tonight. Ah, what an awesome night. It literally delivered on all the scares, the food, the scare zones, the rides. So much fun. I honestly had such a blast. My order of houses goes as follows. In 5th place was Death Water Bayou Blood Moon, the Forgotten. This one definitely takes the cake for the night. In decorations alone, Cell Block Zombies. This one was really good. Tons of strobe lighting and tons of people in prison, so they're like smacking on the gates. It was very loud. Then it's Witch of the Woods. Again, that one at the beginning I had kind of low expectations just the way it was outside. I just wasn't getting scared. Man, when we got in the house, I got scared over and over and over and over again. And that ends it with The Residence. This is a repeat house, but man, I do not remember it being that scary. All the scare actors were on point, and I got jump scared so many times trying to be calm, holding a camera. I was very unsuccessful, but wow, such an awesome job, such an awesome event. I am so excited that Howl-O-Scream season is back again. You guys can go on their website. I'll leave it a link in the description. You can get your nightly tickets, find out what nights you want to go, get quick queue if you want to do it. Man, you guys won't be disappointed. Let us know in the comments if you guys would brave this scary event. And if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.
Thank you.